Hi everyone, in this video you will learn how to install free OpenVPN in Kali Linux in order to hide your real IP. So let's get started. First we need to update the Kali sudo apt update and enter the password and it will update the repository. We just have to wait. Okay, completed. Looks like it is. Okay, now we need to type sudo apt install OpenVPN. We install the OpenVPN here. Now what you have to do is open your browser and type vpnbook.com. So this is the place which we can download the configuration files of the OpenVPN. So as you can see, we can see the OpenVPN. So here are the configuration bundles, which means configuration file for the OpenVPN. So we need to note down this username and password. We need that as well. So you can see this red paragraph. This service is advertisement and donation based. Please consider donating and services. And also you can see if you require faster and reliable connection, you should try all the profiles. So it's up to you guys. So in my case, I will select random configuration file, maybe this one, and it will download it to our download folder like this. I will minimize this, and this is zip file. We can extract this here, extract here, and when you open this, you can see different configuration files. See, this is TCP/80, TCP/443, UDP/53, UDP/25,000, like that. So you can use any of these files to configure your, build your VPN connection. So let's have a look what's inside. So maybe we can open this with the mousepad. So as you can see, so this is the VPN client, this is the tunnel. We're going to use protocol TCP. This is the remote IP which tunnel is performed, and along with the port number and some certificate keys. So this is the configuration file basically. So how we can perform the tunnel now? So it's very simple. You can go to the terminal again and type sudo. Oh, before that, I'm sorry. You need to navigate to this directory, which means like download folder. Currently, I'm in desktop, so I will navigate cd downloads. Oops. The home Kali downloads. Okay, and jump into that one. cd, yes, and we can see these files. So now what you have to do is sudo OpenVPN, and you can type any name, any configuration file which you want to perform along with the port number. So maybe I will use this one, first one. So OpenVPN VPN book and TCP 443 OpenVPN and just press enter. Then it will ask username. So like I said earlier, you need to note down this username and the password. In my case, username is VPN book. VPN book. Okay, and it asks password is B7DH4N3. Yep, press enter, and it will perform the tunnel initialization. Once you see the initialization completed, which means your tunnel has been established. So we can simply check your IP address, like what is my IP? You can Google it simply and you can check over here. Okay, it is detecting. Yep, as you can see, this is the location. This is my ISP, which means internet service provider. So yeah, pretty much it. Like, this is not my real IP anyway. It's changed. The IP has been changed, so you can see a lot of details here. So this is one of the free VPN connection which you can use. Simply hide your IP address inside the Kali Linux. So if you want to cancel or disconnect this VPN, you can simply press Ctrl+C, or else you can close the terminal. Hope this will helpful for you. We'll catch up with the next video soon. Stay tuned. Thank you.